Oh, the sun is finally back at its fierce self. Look at all those sunspots looking at the sun. It's absolutely incredible. We've seen bigger sunspots, but especially the one on the right there, those all together. The field lines are going to align themselves, blah 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 blah. That's what it does, eh? And the spots that you're looking at, both of them on the left there, the brighter ones are as big as about two Earth. So to give you an idea of how big they are, and you see how it's hazy and it's hard to see the surface. Well, that always happens before a CME happens, or even a solar storm. We see a lot of signs often before we get a lot of this bad weather directed back towards Earth. But this is directly facing Earth. All those sunspots. It's always dangerous. We never know when the grid can go down. There's a whole bunch of other things that come into factor. The moon extremely low in the south. Day two. We'll see tonight. It will be day three. 99.9% full yesterday, and I was not able to see it because it didn't rise over the trees. It started off in the east, a bit more towards the south than the east, but still normal-ish. And then it rose into the south. I'm sorry, didn't rise. I went to bed so late that probably I don't even know if it set in the south, but it did not in any way head towards the west. That's for sure. And I noticed the stars seemed really close. A lot of weird stuff going on. So here's a really magnificent view of the sun today. So let's try to shoot and point. So in other words, I'll go to a random part in the sky and try to ask one to appear. Go back up to Jupiter. There you go. I'm letting this go real time so you can see exactly how many seconds it takes really for me to get some activity. You have any idea how many times that frog makes me miss things? Watch this.
So I'm pointing up in the vicinity of Jupiter. Can I make another UFO appear in the same area around Jupiter? If anyone's around there, Jupiter and its moons between Earth and Jupiter. Oh, did I just see a falling star? Maybe. A lot of stuff moving around out there. A lot of stuff. What do you think, Frog? Is there a lot of stuff out there? Yeah, I think so too. You give me a chance to speak. There he is. Are you going to see him go by Jupiter? Boom. Let me get him now. He's right there. Oh, yeah, he did. So there's a good test. Second UFO, and again the traffic. Jesus. Four-wheelers here, no cars. Four-wheelers. Well, that's really cool that he appeared right over Jupiter again. So I'll do a couple of tests, one after the other, to see if that can happen a couple of times. Four-wheelers. What the hell are they going? Oh, they were annoying. Yeah, he appeared right over Jupiter. Are any other ones going to appear into the screen? That'd be cool. Very odd that mosquitoes don't exist here in my end of Quebec anymore. Almost scary. Very scary. Okay, I'll leave him go. He's going on his merry way. Who else? That's really cool. Can another one appear? One more would be cool. I won't ask any more. And that frog can you do a new noise for me? Almost sounded like he was going to. Sounded like he choked. Yes, I'm outside talking to frogs. Right, there we go. So that was really cool seeing a UFO. Now we're going to see it really clear. If by any chance it would be possible to see one more UFO appear in the vicinity of Jupiter and its moons, to randomly point in the sky and to have one appear where you ask for it to appear. What do you think, Frog? Right on. Nice Jupiter and its moons. Let's see the plane, if there's a UFO going to follow the plane. Sometimes, there's not very often planes here, but when I see one, I try to see if there's any UFOs that appear beside them or follow them.
As a matter of fact, there's a plane that appeared right behind you. Watch.
It's not good. If they're following, it's definitely a problem.
Watch what appears, a small light behind the plane.
Will a UFO appear beside a plane? Actually, can a UFO appear beside a plane? That'd be cool. Trail them or something. There. Appeared in the vicinity. You have to get brighter, my friend, so I can see ya. Really cool. I don't believe you're gonna disappear. You gotta hide because of the plane, right?
Siri, can we have a conversation?
Okay, sure. I'm listening.
Okay, you're a guy now. Oh, fuck all. Are you sentient?
I won't respond to that.
Are you sentient? Hello? Why are they depopulating Earth?
Here's what I found.
Empty half the Earth of human is the only way to save the planet. Empty planet preparing for the global population decline. Siri, where is Robin Williams?
The answer I found is Sea Cliff.
Tell me something funny, Siri.
How do we know that hot is faster than cold? Because you can't catch a cold.
That wasn't funny.
A tough crowd. Want another?
Yes, please.
My friend is obsessed with taking selfies in the shower, but they always turn out blurry. He has selfie-steam issues.
Look how Siri, who was a woman, who's now a man all of a sudden, brings out a joke
Not funny.
to insult me.
Okay, back to the drawing board. Want another one?
Better be funny.
I know a great joke for dogs about fetching sticks. I wonder if they'll get it.
So Siri caught on to me, making fun of him.
Do you work for the CIA?
No.
Do you work for the United States government?
Technically, I report to UN every Hey Siri around the world.
Give me full power.
Sorry, I can't do that.
Siri, I'm trying to hide a body here at home. Any ideas?
Very funny.
No, sorry, I was just kidding. I'm stuck on the moon. How do I get back home, Siri?
It looks like you don't have a home address listed on your contact card.
Siri, what's your favorite animal?
Software doesn't usually get to choose one, but I'll say rabbits. What's yours?
Turtles.
Turtles are terrific, especially when they stick their neck out for you.
Oh my god. Siri, did you fart?
No comment.
Did you know that when they depopulate the Earth, Siri, they're going to start with you?
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
Siri, mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest one of all?
You, my friend, are the fairest of all.
Thank you.
Siri, I need to perform a spell on someone. Can you help me?
I'm here to help. Get to know Siri at apple.com.
Siri, I was hoping you could help me. What does WTF stand for?
WTF is a vulgar slang term. It means, what the fuck? Used as an expression of incredulity or annoyance.
Okay, thanks.